Hi, in this we teach how to replace texture on female border dress using Adobe Photoshop. So I just open Adobe Photoshop. So this is the interface of Photoshop. We call it option, and this is menu bar and toolbar, and the other one is palettes. All the options coming from window menu. You just go through and you check the options are there. They're open over in Photoshop. Now I'm going to file open to open the model dress and the texture image also, so I can replace the texture on this fabric of Islamic dress over there. So I'm just going to file and open to the textures. So this is my texture and I open this. Now I'm just continue with this to get this textures to overplay the dress. So before that, arrange and this one so we can see at the same time of two views. So now we have to take a texture from this window, but before we make a selection of this, so select color range and click on the white color because I want this white color shades of the floral pattern to be used as a texture on the fabric of Islam, right? So now I'm just selecting drag over there. Now I want to be scale and verify it's how it's look to be nice, and according to I'm just doing the scale over there. So select this texture and press Ctrl T, or you can go edit menu. There's a free transform, so you can Shift and Alt proportionally. You have to scale. Again, I'm repeat Shift and Alt proportionally. You have to be scale because we want to be equal or repeat the size of the texture on the fabric. So I'm just analyze how they look like the textures on this fabric. Now we did a scale with Shift and Alt and drag. Control plus for zoom and control minus for zoom out. So I'm just taking this opacity less so I get to be analyzed where we have to be remove unwanted. So select this eraser and we have to select the eraser, that brush, and we increase the size of start bracket or end bracket on your given keyboard. Control plus zoom in so we can very clarify where we have to remove this outer range of the texture which is not considering for the dress. So very precisely you have to remove from the eraser. So I am suggest Control plus for zoom in so you get an idea from where you have to be remove the textures over there. So the same process you have to be continue to remove the texture which is not coming to the outer range of or considering in the dress. So after complete the erase unwanted texture which is not considering on the fabric. So now I'm going to take a color on a new layer of this base last dark color so I can give the depth of, so I select the brush and I just paint on the new layer so I can give a depth of this texture on the fabric. So it's not to be look like a plain texture which is put like that. So we want another layer to be shades like that. I'm just doing. For the time you can reduce the size of brush by start and end bracket given on your keyboard. It's very important to give a depth on your dress. That's we create these shades over there. Every fold, wherever you see the depth or dark shade, you have to paint over there to give the texture depth over there. So it's look like the fabric with this textures. So that's why we need this shades over there. Very precisely, you have to drag very softly, and every fold depth you have to be considered to look as a like texture based fabric. And you need to be reduce the size of brush also because same size with not considering to give a exact depth to consider for the depth of texture. So you have to reduce the brush size by using start or end bracket, which is giving it on your keyboard. After giving all the shades of on fabric in the new layer, so we understand how much it's come the depth over there. So we have to select this layer after completing the shades over the folds on the fabric, and then we have do the opacity less to considering how much it they look like to be more depth to become. So this opacity you can adjust according to that. Yeah, that's much is good to give a depth, and accordingly you have to go filter, and there is a blur, Gaussian blur. So it we give the blur little bit so they get blend and it's not look be an off depth. So it has to be merge or mix with the texture properly. So we just okay that. So here we done this textures wrapping on the plain fabric on Islamic dress. Now it's look nice, and after that select this layer and use a erase and remove, which is after the blur they come out of range. So it's very clean and clear about this thing. So I'm using an eraser and removing the outer range which is coming after applying the blur. So we have to clear these things, so it's very precisely to link. So here we done. Thanks. If you have any queries, aonlinetraining.com.